Hi, honeys. How's you all's day going? So far, mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to fix some of this John Souls foods, the beef steak that Cooking with Doug has been talking about. He actually made some beef and broccoli and vegetables early this morning, like 1 something in the morning. And I had some fish thawed out. I was gonna fix fish today. But I went to Walmart and they had this. I'm also going to I got broccoli stir fry, frozen vegetables. And I like a lot of broccoli, so I got another bag of broccoli florets. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. I failed to mention that I'll be using my Instant Pot. And I already washed my rice. I got it in my aroma rice cooker. So I got 2 cups of rice in here. So I'm going to put some chicken broth. I'm not adding water. So I'm just going to add until I think it's enough. I hope that's enough. Okay, and I'm going to add some turmeric to my rice. I like yellow rice. This here. And I'm going to season my rice with basil leaves. Oregano leaves. Parsley. I never taste parsley. It's mainly for color. It smells good. Wow. I'm adding onion powder to my rice. No salt in here, y'all. That's not what I'm shaking. I'm shaking all this stuff. It doesn't have salt. I'm adding garlic powder to the rice. And what else I got here? Pepper, black pepper. And I need a little oil in the rice. That's good. Stir it up. Okay. I'm going to turn it on. Turn it on. Set it for rice. Come on now. Okay. So, that's that. Now I'm going to get over here to the Instant Pot. Okay. Let me turn this on. I'm going to turn it on saute. And I'm going to add some chicken broth in here. That's what I use it all. The rest of it. I add my beef steak. I got 2 bags. I don't want to have to cook tomorrow. And this meat is supposed to already be seasoned. Oh, it smells good. I don't know if I can eat it right after. I don't believe it. This is right out the bag. It's supposed to be fully cooked. It's good. Okay. Wow. Back in there. That is good. And on the bag it says it's great for making Philly steaks. I bet it would be. With some bell pepper and the cheese. Yum. It is good. I'm surprised. Just 2 bags. And I'm using frozen vegetables, so basically this food just has to heat up good. I don't want my broccoli to get mushy. I like it to have some crispness to it. And this has other stuff in it. Carrots, cauliflower, sugar snap peas, white corn, mushrooms, water chestnuts, and red pepper. Now, I'm going to add stuff. Onion powder. I want some red onions chopped up in there. That would be good. I add the powder. Garlic powder. Of course, my black pepper. Need some more pepper. Not no turmeric. A little bit of ginger. Just a little. Just a little bit. Okay, what I got over here? And I got, Sazon. That makes everything taste good. So, what else? I got some beefy mushroom soup. Do I want to put that in here now? Yeah. I'm going to get some water. Or do I want some more chicken broth? I'll open up some more chicken broth. I think I'm going to add a can of cream of chicken soup in here too. I don't have it in my paper towel I had. And what we just left out of here. Smells good already. Okay, everything is done, so I can taste it. Okay, I need some spice to it. A little bit of red pepper. Oh, that smells good. Okay, what else I want to add? I added the garlic and pepper and everything. Garlic and herb and black pepper sea salt. Just a little, because it has salt in it. A little more ginger. ginger is kind of clumped together. It needs a little sweetness to it. It needs salt. Okay, y'all. I didn't even let it get up to pressure. I stopped it after about 5 minutes and it hadn't come up to pressure yet. So I just put it on to keep warm. Where is it? Setting. So it's done. So I'm going to show y'all. It smells so good. Look at that, y'all. Yum, yum, yum. And this soup, it thickened it up just like I like it. I don't have to add no thickener to it. And I tasted it, and it is good. And my veggies aren't mushy. That's what I didn't want. Let's look at the rice. Look at that. Let's see. Let's see how cooked it is. Okay, perfectly cooked. Put it on the white rice setting. Okay, I'm gonna dish up a bowl. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I want some more. I want some broccolis. Okay. Okay, see what I'm doing. Getting some rice. I think I want 2 scoops of rice. You see the rice is yellow, so I put that turmeric in it. Ouch, it's hot. This is my meal. Let's go to the stove. Okay, here's my bowl. It's too hot to taste, y'all. But when I go to Chinese restaurants, I like beef and broccoli. I want to taste this. Come on, where'd my broccoli go? Okay, I'm going to taste it. Seasoned good. I will be buying that John Soul's meat from now on. And the price wasn't bad either. For something that's already cooked and seasoned. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. You all have a blessed day. Bye.